Ciao Milagre.
Hello, Jutta family. So amazing news! Milagre is being adopted in Germany. Tim and Sarah visited the shelter last year, and as I was telling them Milagre's rescue story, it touched a chord with their hearts, and they fell in love. They came to the shelter more than once. They spent time with her. They took many dogs for walks, and then they gone back home. So a whole year later, they called me and they said, we haven't forgotten about her. We can't stop thinking about her. Can we adopt her? So amazing, amazing. Love at first sight, and they never forgot her.
Here. This is my friends. The owner.
The new owner of Mila now. And Terza is going to Germany.
Puppy Terza was rescued by a German family, and they said that when she was old enough to travel, that they would adopt her. So they kept their word. She's ready, and she's going with Milagre to Germany.
I have all there. No, I take.
Okay. So I have your mobile phone number.
Yes.
Thank you, Jutta family, for your support. Thank you, Tim and Sabine.
Pepe. Hi, Pepe. Zacharias. He's about 25 years old. And new sibling 6.